Ever wonder why 90% of Fortnite players are obsessed with loot? It's because they know the value of a good investment. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to your new battle royale, the crypto market. Think of crypto investing like Fortnite. You start with nothing but a pickaxe. Then you gather resources and build your empire. But instead of wood and brick, you're stacking up Bitcoin and Ethereum. First tip, always start with research. Just like you wouldn't drop in tilted towers without a plan. Don't dive into crypto without knowing your stuff. Check out coin stats, market trends, and join the right communities. Second, diversify your loot. You wouldn't put all your ammo in one weapon, right? Spread out your investments across different cryptos. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe even a little Dogecoin for fun. And remember, just like in Fortnite, timing is everything. Buy low, sell high. Don't get caught in the storm of FOMO. That's fear of missing out for you non-gamers. Last but not least, stay cool under pressure. Crypto markets can be more unpredictable than a Fortnite match. Stick to your strategy and don't panic sell. Ready to drop in? Start small, stay informed, and keep your eyes on the prize. Hit the subscribe button and join our Finance Hub community for more epic tips. Let's turn those V-Bucks dreams into crypto reality. Game on!